What have I taken from Latterbrunnen? I imagine when Tolkien was here last, it was nowhere near as busy as this. Having said that, a lady up at the top, who let me photograph from her garden, said that it was the British that introduced tourism to this part of Europe. And now I think they're getting quite a lot. In fact, they're probably getting too much. And I have been told that there are specific areas that they're looking at stopping the amount of people coming because it can't cope with it all. It's a funny place to come. I have enjoyed it, but at times I found it a little bit too much, to be honest. I'm in these great big mountains, and it's just too much going on. So yeah, it's been an interesting one for me. I will be coming back, but I don't think I'll be coming back soon. I'll probably leave it a year, have a good think about what I've done, and hopefully next time a little bit more inclement weather I could have done with on this trip. But if I come back again in a year's time and the colour's the same, obviously I might come back a week or so earlier so that I've hit real right time of autumn, and then try and get some more from then. But it has been hopefully it's been a successful trip. I've took 35 sheets while I'm here, so off to Fribourg tomorrow, and then I'm doing a talk at a university there on my career, which will take all of 2 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. Quick vid, guys. On my way back to Fribourg, halfway between Fribourg and Latterbrunnen, found this magnificent little valley, and I had to stop because it's been a scene that I've been looking for a long time, actually, to go with this body of work. I'm in the area. This actually really leans to the concept of Tolkien and Rivendell especially. So set the camera up, 300mm lens, full extension on the bellows, aperture of f/45. I'm getting an exposure reading back of 10 seconds, and more importantly I've got my Format High-Tech filter in front, because what I want to achieve is I want to achieve some sort of magical view, but on the negative. I don't want to do it in post-process. I want to achieve it in the neg, and these filters are so important to my work, especially for collections like this. The view is absolutely stunning. So I've got the lovely light clipping through the valley. Got this lovely mountain stream, sorry, coming through the scene, and it was literally raining with leaves earlier. It was absolutely beautiful. Anyway, fingers crossed that comes out all right. So, my last bit of work for the week, beyond Rivendell. So on my last evening in Rachstein, if that's how you pronounce it, I'm going to have a nice sauna before I get on the plane tomorrow and head home. It's been a very interesting week, and this is going to top it off. So I'm very much looking forward to having half an hour to myself relaxing in the Swiss mountains in my own personal sauna.